Okay, back again. Another entry for on the wave strategy. This time on US30, and I'm just gonna kind of combine the ABCD pattern thinking with the wave strategy, as it were. And so what do we have here? Price just messed about here, but this is the entry that I'm in now. So I get a break of the 89 EMA, about 3 points from there, something like that. Okay, 6 points, and I get in here. So that's my entry, and then I'm waiting for price to go all the way up. So how have I used the ABCD pattern? It's usually said AB equal to CD. So if this is my AB, then BC, then CD will be somewhere around here, and you can see that I'm looking to get to this point to get 100% move of this leg. So whether that will happen, we will see. And right now price is kind of retracing away from 61% of the move, but we've got to stay on here. This is the wave I'm trading on. Unless price breaks the 89 EMA, I'm in this trade. So we've got to wait. Just wait. Okay. Okay, I left it to play for a while, and I'm back again looking at this. So price just messed about around here. Didn't break until the last minute of the hour, and it broke here, and now it's my sights are still to 100%. A, B, C, D. So sights to 100%. Take profit around there. Move the stop loss now. Good thing EMA 89 is now above my entry. So again, my real exit is when price, plays around this EMA here. Let's see. I'm just walking out now to the school run, and that's why I've placed this protective stop. Once I'm back, I'm taking it off, as it were. Okay, let's see what happens with this. Right, so just wait. If you wait, it gets there. So we can see now that price has actually smashed 100% of the ABCD, like we anticipated. It took a long time. It took over 65 candles to do that. So we did it. And I'm just gonna wait and wait and wait. And for this, I'm gonna move the stop loss this way so I can close in some of the profit. But I want to get to this area here because today the ATR today is just 85%. So I want to get the extra 14% now, 86% now. So I want to get the extra 14% possibly. So there's still another 32 points to go. So if I can get me some 32 points, okay, that's actually the 100% of the day. So if we can get that, that'll be awesome. But I don't also want to lose the trade completely. So I'll lose all this opportunity here. So it's all good. Good stuff.